Here we are, people. People in dry land. You're here with Bobby Bandana, Jones Beach. Oh, wait, maybe not. Maybe Tobay. Wait, what's that? Okay, let me turn around. Somewhere, yeah. Oh, we passed the sign? Well, those are my buddies there. They're over here. Go a little to the left, people. Go a little to the left. Bear with me. I know I'm walking. I'll go slowly. Here we go again. The birds of the sky. Yep, those are my buddies. The birds of the sky. And when I get closer, of course, they start to fly. Well, it's low tide. You see the dunes over there? Let's go to the right. Here's the dune. The birds of the sky with Bobby Bandana. Let me, people say, how's the water? Let me go check it out. Oh yeah, it's still cold. Here we go. The birds of the sky. No, I'm walking. Here they are. They're flying away. Yeah. Those are the birds. All the seagulls. Well, we got a few over here on my left. All right, people in dryland, meditation. There isn't much going on here today. But like I said, this is May 8th. On a Thursday, of course. You're here with Bobby Bandana. I always say that. What a beautiful, spectacular day we're having out here. Yep. If you can zoom in, like I always say, there's a container ship all the way down yonder. See where I'm pointing? Yep, right over there. All right. Waves are coming in. It's a cloudy day, but we got the sun. We're gonna have a beautiful day out here, like always. And what do we have over here? We got a beach walker checking her phone. Yeah, she's a good walker. That's my partner. She's always on the phone looking, checking out the weather. She's my weather girl. Good walker. She walks miles and miles like I do. That's what we do out here. And there's the birds of the sky. And of course, Robert Moses all the way down there. Can't see the bridge, it's cloudy. Unless you zoom in. Unless you zoom in. All right, people. Meditation. All right, this is Bobby Bandana saying, another wonderful day. I gotta look good out here. Get the camera out. What? I gotta look good. I said, get the camera out. The cameraman is not listening. Get it out, I said. Woo! All right. Come on, hang up.